Hey guys, I'm back with another Rubbermaid Tupperware unboxing. These are the take-alongs, and I got a good deal with them at Tony's No Frills and Hamilton. And I hope you guys, I know you guys enjoyed my last Rubbermaid unboxing Tupperware, so got another one. I needed some more. Gonna do meal prep. That's short for meal prepare. Yeah, it should be fun. Let's open it up and see what we got. I just cut the top off. So already we see a bunch of guys. This is a circle. We have 4 little squares and a little circle guy, and another one. 4 squares, 2 big circles. I don't have any space on my desk. This one, these ones, all this, all that, all these, all that, all this. Oh no. But if you take it, you can put it on. You can put on the. You put on the. It's a lid. You put it on the front. You put it on the thing. Oh. There. Keeps your food cold or